At your Envera protected community, only vehicles with the proper headlamp sticker can gain access automatically using the resident entry lane. To make sure your vehicle is able to enter automatically, follow these steps to properly affix your headlamp sticker. First, let's look at where not to place the sticker. The sticker does not go on the exterior of your windshield. The sticker does not go on the edge or corners of the headlamp. The sticker does go on the flat, front-facing section of the headlamp. Before you place the sticker on your vehicle, let's look at a few more important tips. Do not bend the headlamp sticker. Position the sticker so that it is horizontal and front-facing. And remember, your decal is non-transferable. Now, you're ready to affix your sticker on your headlamp in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Clean the surface of your headlamp where the sticker will be placed. A 50-50 mixture of water and alcohol works best. Allow it to dry completely. Step 2. Remove the plastic film to expose the adhesive. Step 3. Place the adhesive side of the sticker onto the surface of the headlamp and press down firmly. Now that the sticker is securely on your headlamp, the entry gate will automatically open for you when driving through the resident lane.